Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show how to install WordPress on your computer using XAMPP local web server. Please check the last video if you have missed the XAMPP installation and configuration video.
First, visit wordpress.org and download WordPress zip file to your computer. Extract the downloaded zip file. Now let's copy the extracted WordPress folder which contains index.php file to our XAMPP web server root folder.
If you have watched our previous video, now you know where is the XAMPP server root folder is. It is at C drive XAMPP folder and htdocs folder. After copying the WordPress folder to htdocs folder, rename it to any name you like. You will have to use that name after localhost and / to access your new website. Now you can open the folder and check what are the files stored in WordPress folder. You can see that it uses PHP language and website default file is index.php. Now open your web browser and run localhost.
Okay. This error comes because we haven't started Apache web server yet. Run XAMPP server and start Apache web server.
Start Apache web server. Then start MySQL server because we need MySQL server to run WordPress.
Now open localhost page again. Click on phpMyAdmin link to open the database manager of XAMPP server. This is the phpMyAdmin page. You can create and view new MySQL databases from this page. We need a database to install WordPress. Here, you will see your MySQL username and MySQL server path. We are not using an actual server, so our server address is localhost. Now let's create a new database to link our WordPress files and build the website.
Click Database menu item, and then type a database name and click on Create button. In this tutorial I'm using website name as the database name. But you shouldn't do that. Always use a different name for website security purposes.
Now we have created an empty database for our WordPress website. We should link it with the WordPress files stored in localhost folder.
We have our new site.com folder inside the localhost folder. So we must visit localhost/mysite.com on our web browser. We don't have to type index.php because Apache will detect the index file automatically. Now the index.php file will redirect us to WordPress installation page because we haven't linked our website to a database. So we will have to link our WordPress files with the MySQL database.
Now let's proceed with the installation. You need your database name, database username and password. Database server address for this. You will need to get these information from your web host when you are installing WordPress on a live server.
Now fill these boxes and click Submit. Default XAMPP database username is root and password is empty. Now click Run the installation button. If you see any error messages about database connectivity, restart Apache and MySQL services. It might fix the issue. Also check if you have entered database name and other details correctly. Now fill these items. A title for the website. A username and password. Don't use admin or administrator as username. Choose a different name. Save your username and password on a text file or in a safe place. Enter your email address and click Install WordPress.
Once the installation is completed, log in to WordPress dashboard using your username and password. default login address is localhost / your website name / wp-admin.
This is your website backend. This is where you can customize your website appearance, create articles and upload content to your website. Now let's visit your new website and check how it looks. As we mentioned earlier, you don't have to type index.php file name after the domain name because once you enter your domain name, Apache server will automatically detect the index file for you.
Great! We have successfully installed WordPress inside our XAMPP web server. Now we can start installing themes and plugins to customize and create amazing websites using this base installation. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, let's see what are the components of WordPress dashboard and how we can customize our website using WordPress themes.